Introducing the next evolution in scheduling from ObservePoint, designed to give you more flexibility, precision, and control than ever before. We've revamped our scheduling options from the ground up, standardizing the experience across both audits and journeys, providing us a seamless experience for the end user. So let's jump in and take a look. To get to any of this new functionality, simply navigate to any audit or journey in your account. So let's go ahead and take a look at this web journey, edit as usual, and you can also have these functionality when creating a new item as well. First, you'll see a very similar and familiar experience when viewing an audit or a journey. You'll see that you have the initial run date. You can select as always. You'll also see the runtime that we've had as well and how often this should run. Now, hidden within each of these menus is some really powerful functionality that we've launched today. First, now with the initial runtime or time that this item will run, you can now select time zone. This will make it a lot easier when you're managing different users or testing scenarios across your different brands that may be global for different countries. For instance, if you have a UK site, a US site, and you want those to run at specific times, you can do so now very clearly with this functionality. Now, second, we are continuing to provide out-of-the-box recommendations of how often things should run, but you can also come in here and create custom schedules. So let's say you have a release schedule that is specific to every Tuesday, for instance. You can now tell an item to run specifically on a specific date or time. Maybe you want to run this twice a week as opposed to just once a week. You can do so here very easily. You also have the option to get specific with running these things by specific days or dates. So if we want to come in and run these on a specific day as well, so we want to make sure something runs every first of the month, as well as maybe sometime in the middle of the month. We get that every 2 months, we can do so as well. And we click done. So very easy to use, but there's just a lot more functionality hidden within each of these items that you can take advantage of. So once you make those changes, go ahead and click Save, and you're now adopted those new schedules. Now, we've also made this a lot easier to manage at a holistic level. So you'll see here in the top right of your data sources screen or your card screen, you have an option for calendar. Within calendar, you can click here, and you'll see all the items that were available to you on the previous screen now laid out in a visual format for you across the current month, week, or even day. We can come in here and select any of the filters that we were able to apply before. We can do so, let's say we want to see things by a label, or let's see things that are running by a specific creator. We can do so. We can also see how long things have been running for. So if things are we're running for a short time period, we can see it's for 24 minutes. But if we saw an audit that's maybe running a few days, you'd also see that represented here as well. Now, let's see we have something running here maybe on Christmas Day that we don't want it to run. We can actually come in here and we can say, you know what, let's go ahead and skip this run. And let's go ahead and skip this other run as well. And now we don't have anything running on Christmas. So that's very easy functionality to manage there as well. Now this functionality is available to you in your account today. So go ahead and jump in and take a look. Thank you.